Hello, my name is Maria del Sol María Hernandez, and this is the project description of Smarty Park by an organization called ABD Systems. The project description is to create a smart system called Smarty Park, which allowed us to find an empty parking space within a parking lot, which you can easily find by following the color of the sensor in the parking space. If it's green, then it's free and you can use it. I mean, it's not used. And if it's blue, it's for disabled people. The other way. The objectives of this program practices is to identify and improve the areas in a Smarty Park system project, and by using automatization techniques to develop better project, and also to sketch and implement the PCBs in the Smarty Park project, and use the CNC knowledge. The project is no the goals. The goal is to elaborate a report that includes the the main ideas of the project, and to identify the weakness and all the errors that are within the program, and to correct them, and to create a new datasheet of the characteristics of the program. The specification, well, due to privacy issues for the company, I'm going to talk about it in general and not to get too involved in the project. Basically, it requires an ultrasonic sensor, server, serial communication, programming, and the mobile application in your phone. The other way. The regulations are followed by the Mexican official standard NOM 024 SCF12013, which says all the information for packaging, instructive, and guarantees of electrical, and household appliance products. The Mexican office standard applies for new products, and by new products used and second-hand. The contributions. Well, when we first arrived to the company, they teach us how to use the CNC machine and how to cut all the circuits, all the board, by being very careful. And they teach us how to use the controller, how to program in Arduino, and how to use the communication between sensor and the Arduino board. They also teach us how to weld the components to the board, and to search for errors, compatibility within the card. And they also teach us, after that they teach us how to use the Eagle program, which helps us to draw a new circuit, and then to cut it in the CNC machine. And after the board was printed and cut, we proceeded carefully to clean the board of the system, and we continued to weld the components on the card. Once the board was completed, then we proceeded to install all the LEDs in the little box, which will turn green or blue depending of the programming of the board. By learnings, we learn how to use Arduino and Eagle program, how to use the CNC machine, how does the system communication work, and to weld the components to the board, and how to design a circuit, as well as teamwork, punctuality, and to acquire professional ethics, and to have determination and to work as a team, to be a team player. And finally, the conclusions, well, we realized that Smarty Park was um, quite a recent project, not full developed, because they wanted to install the Smarty Park project the in the mall called um, Angelopolis, but it was not possible because Angelopolis required 5 other companies that Smarty Park and Navide Systems worked, and the company just has two 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 projects installed. One, and they also need to achieve 3 other more, which is why it's not full developed, but it's constantly improving itself. And the objective and goal was achieved, and we work all the time as a team. We use how to be a team player, how to take decisions, and how to be ethical about it. The project was good to complement on my professional development, and I'm grateful for the opportunity that the UTLAB University um, provide to us.